Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you very much for being here today. This video, I wanted to share with you some clips from my visit to the Traveler's Factory in Nakameguro, Tokyo. And I will also be unboxing my haul. So if you want to skip this part and just go to the haul part, I will leave a timestamp so that you can check that out. So yesterday, I was very fortunate enough to visit the flagship store, the Traveler's Factory in Nakameguro, Tokyo. They were releasing the Superior Labor Collaboration Traveler's Notebook. The Superior Labor, if you're not aware, is a company in Okayama, Japan, and they create beautiful leather goods and leather and canvas goods from their shop in Okayama. It's a beautiful place in the woods, like literally surrounded by trees in the forest. It's such a beautiful place. Anyways, but they celebrated their 15-year anniversary and they did a collaboration with Traveler's Company, and so I had to check out this new release. And you might have seen bits of Esther in the video. Esther Molina, she did an Instagram live yesterday while we visited the shop, so if you want to see more close-ups, I will leave her Instagram handle down below so that you can check out her videos as well. So this beginning part of this section, I thought it would be fun to share snippets of things that I saw at the store, at the Traveler's Factory store. Last time I visited, it was quite busy and it was kind of hard to get around because there was just so many people, and I wasn't able to get a good shot of a lot of things. So this time there were several people, but I was able to kind of maneuver around and take some video clips, and I thought I would share that with you. It's always fun to share whenever I can. This one was so tempting. I especially love that Tokyo pouch in the back with the chartreuse paint. I think this was a sign that said that you can, it comes with a present with a badge when you purchase one of those limited items. And yeah, every time I visit, there's always new things that I see or I find and discover, and it's always so interesting because it's not a huge shop, but it's just packed full with yummy goodness. And I always stop here at this charm station and always feel like I want to get a charm, but I end up using my budget on the Traveler's notebooks and refills and things, so maybe next time. So if you are new to this company, Traveler's Company, that makes the Traveler's notebooks, they have 3 shops in the Tokyo and surrounding areas. The one that I'm visiting today is the flagship. Sorry, I shouldn't say 3. They have more than 3. Well, they have 3 main ones in the Tokyo area, and they have a couple in and around Japan. But the one I'm visiting is in the Nakameguro, Tokyo area. There's also one in Tokyo Station, and then there's one in Narita Airport. So if you're flying into Narita, there's one there. But at this current time of this filming, I believe they are still temporarily closed. And I'm hoping that once the travel resumes again in October, things will start to open up again, and hopefully if you are able to fly into Narita or maybe flying out of Narita, you can check out the Narita shop as well. Last time I wasn't able to really see this corner here, so it was really fun to discover little things. Esther was surprised to see the Ace Hotel TN here as well, because that's usually in Kyoto. So Traveler's Factory also has a shop in Kyoto as well, and they just recently made a new one in Okayama as well, in the historic. Oh, if I remember the proper name, I will list it down below, but they created a new one in Kurashiki as well. That's the branch in Kurashiki is actually, it's like a collaboration with the Superior Labor. So the Superior Labor opened up a new shop in Kurashiki, and there are some limited travelers items as well in the shop. Alright, so here's the unboxing part. I will be sharing with you the unboxing of the Camel one that I purchased, and I thought I would share with you some of the other items that I bought as well during my trip. I am trying to find a spot to keep the tape that I peeled off there. So for free they included this lovely newsletter, which I have a problem with collecting. I always end up collecting them. And this I was excited to purchase. It's a nice big canvas pouch, and I really liked this cute little detail on the edge there with the leather. And it's quite a roomy pouch, and you might be wondering, why would I need that? I actually I started knitting a sweater, and I don't really have anything to kind of keep it in, and I know many people use project bags and things, and I thought that would be a perfect little project bag for my knitting sweater. I purchased some pencil boards, and then I was able to stamp out some of their stamps from their stamping station after I made a purchase. And this little free tag came along with the writing boards that I purchased. It was a free gift. And then this, I'm so very happy that I was able to purchase the inserts. I think you're allowed 2 inserts. The blue Traveler's Notebook is for Skylar, and I'm not sure if she's going to do an unboxing, but I will leave her information too down below, so if you wanted to see more up close of that, you can check out her Instagram and YouTube. So this is the Camel, and you see the Superior Labor logo there on the bottom. It's so nice to see, and I was surprised to see the extra elastic was blue. I thought it was red because it was a red one at the store, and then the blue is a very, very pretty blue, and it matches the insert. It's the same color as the insert, and just to do a color comparison, I thought I would share it with the dot liner because I think a lot of people have the dot liner. So it does come with 3 elastics. It's the blue one, there's the one on the actual Traveler's Notebook, and then the 3rd elastic comes on the packaging. So there's 3 elastics in total. And you can see I gasped. I don't know if you can hear through the screen, but it's so lovely. And of course I saw it at the physical Traveler's Factory shop, but it was just so nice to hold it in my hand. It has a really nice texture. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's more of a soft, suede type of texture. Here are the colors of the elastics. This one again is the blue, and then the red. I just thought it would be fun to share with you what that looks like up close. And with the Camel, it's embossed, and the blue one, I think it has silver embossing. And I realized later on that there's a logo on the back side as well with the Superior Labor collaboration with the Travelers Company logo there. And also, of course, on the front of the insert. Alright, so here is a color comparison of the brown, the camel, and the olive that I have off to the side. If you're new to Travelers Company, olive is more of a limited edition color, so it's not available anymore, unfortunately, but there's many camel and brown and blue and black, sorry, are the standard colors. I don't know if you can hear that. I thought it would be fun to kind of share with you how this sounds, but it might just sound like paper now that I'm listening to it. It's embossed beautifully. You can see there in the light. I thought it would be fun to share that with you. I'm not sure if you can hear the kids playing outside in the background, but anyways, here's a close-up of the leathers side by side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for coming along with me and sharing this unboxing video together and this experience together. I decided to turn on the light because I was losing outdoor light, and I thought it would be good to share the comparison so that you can see. This is with the just the indoor light and a bit of the outdoor light because it was sun was setting. And once again, the writing boards for the new year. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Once again, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.